Appearance. Accessories: auto-fill water chamber, airborne collector, heated breathing tube, nasal cannula, oxygen connecting tube, boil flow meter. Installation: install the hose well on the trolley. Align the fixing holes of the base with the fixing studs. Remove the lids of the water chamber. Install the airborne connector to the water chamber. Connect the airborne connector to the hose air outlet. Ensure to connect firmly without gap. Insert the pin into the sterile water bag. Unlock the barcodes so that the water can automatically enter into the water chamber. Fitting properly the breathing tube with the air outlet of the airborne. Connect the end of the breathing tube to the nasal cannula. The breathing tube could be hung on the trolley hook. Connect the power supply, plug the power cord. The device will automatically power on. The system will enter the standby state after the initialization is completed. There are 3 ports above the power ports, which are SPO2 module, mini USB port, and micro SD card slot. Fix the end of the oxygen tube on the trolley. Then align the air inlet of the boil flow meter to the end of the oxygen tube. Tighten the nut with a wrench. Connect one end of the transparent tube to the outlet of the boil flow meter. The other end to the oxygen inlet at the back of the hose. Attach the gun connector at the other end of the oxygen tube to the oxygen outlet. Then turn on the oxygen source pressure gauge. The pressure is about 0.2 MPa. The device can connect the oxygen concentrator without boil flow meter. Just connect one end of the transparent tube to the oxygen inlet. The other end connect to the outlet of the oxygen concentrator. Click the touch screen or press the knob to display 5 menu options. Setting. Select System menu, where you can set parameters, and here we'll demonstrate the settings of some functions. Flow mode, high flow mode, and no flow mode. Single therapy time, 0 to 99 hours. Step, 1 hour. Language: English, Chinese, Turkish, Spanish, Portuguese. Bike night time, on 30 to 600 seconds. Step, 30 seconds. Brightness, 0 to 100%. Step, 1%. Night mode can be set on, off. Start time and stop time setting range, 0 o'clock to 24 o'clock. Step, 0.5 hours. breathless 0 to 100%, step 1%. Parameter setting. Click Setting. Press and hold down the knob or the lock icon for 2 seconds to unlock. Low flow mode. Flow setting range 2 to 25 liters per minute, step 1 liter per minute. Temperature 34 degrees, not adjustable. Humidity setting range -4 to 4 level, step 1 level. High flow mode. Press and hold down the knob or the lock icon for 2 seconds to unlock. Flow setting range 10 to 80 liters per minute. The highest flow for HF6 is 60 liters per minute. When flow range is 10 to 25 liters per minute, step is 1 liter per minute. When flow range is 25 to 80 liters per minute, step is 5 liters per minute. Temperature setting range 29 to 37 degrees, step 1 degree. Humidity setting range -4 to 4 level, step 1 level. Alarm setting. Click Alarms to enter the menu for setting. High oxygen alarm 30% to 100%, step 1%. Low oxygen alarm 21% to 30%, step 1%. Automatic maintenance 0 hour 900 to 1800 hours, step 30 hours. Liter oxygen pressure on off. Room temperature alarm on off. Nasal cannula off alarm on off. Operation. After the parameter setting, press the Start/Stop button. The device will enter standby state. Then adjust the boil flow meter. Check whether the oxygen concentration shown on the display has reached the target value. The oxygen concentration can reach up to 100%. Oxygen concentration range 21 to 100%. Take an example of 50%. Adjust the concentration. After the preheating is completed, the device enters the treatment state. It will emit a beep and start the timer. Other function. SpO2 module. Install the SpO2 module and put on the probe. Real-time oxygen saturation and pulse rate will be displayed on the screen. Monitor. Click Monitor to enter the interface with the real-time display of oxygen concentration, temperature, flow, respiratory rate, oxygen source pressure, oxygen saturation, pulse rate, ROX index. Review function. Click Review to view the parameter information of flow and the temperature for 1, 3, 7, and 30 days. One key to enter low flow mode. Press and hold down the knob for 5 seconds on the high flow mode. It will be shifted to no flow mode. Press and hold down for 5 seconds to exit no flow mode. Alarms. A prompt text will appear on the screen with sound. The key will flash in red. Press the mute button to pause the alarm sound for 120 seconds. Breath tube drying function. This function is used to dry the heating tube for next therapy, can set 30, 60, 90 minutes. After therapy time, Press and hold on the Start/Stop button for 3 seconds to enter the function. Turn off the bore flow meter and remove the nasal cannula. The main interface displays delayed shutdown time countdown. At the same time, there is a voice prompt. Press the mute key to eliminate the prompt sound. Wi-Fi function. Firstly, enter the system setting interface. Click the wireless network. Select the available network from the list. Input the password. After the network connected, the treatment data can be transmitted to the server for the users to review.